Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter number 4 of English reader, that is Open Sky. Okay, the topic is, the chapter name is The Love Apples. Okay students, in this chapter we have read the story as well as we have completed the word meaning, question answer and learning words. Dear student, today we will complete the true false, filling the blanks as well as multiple choice question given in your book, given at the page number 36 and 37. Okay students, so just open the book and put out the pencil. Today we will complete the true false first, then after filling the blanks, then after multiple choice question. Okay students, so just see the question number second. Question number second, state if the following sentences are true or false. Okay student, this is the question in which you have to tell the sentences are true or false. Okay, so first sentence, dear student, just see here, the first sentence is given, the question number second is true false. You have to do true false in this question. And what is question number first? The love apple were poisonous fruit. The love apples were poisonous fruit. No, it was not a poisonous fruit. But the people were afraid of that fruit. Okay students, so that is false. So in the box, in the first question, in the second A, you will fill, in the box you will write the word false. Okay students, that is false. Just write down. Question number second of second A, the love apples were poisonous fruit. In this question, that is false. So you will write in the box false. Come to the next question. Mother planted the seeds in the garden. No, she did not planted that seed in the garden. She put that seed in the field. Just see here students, that is also false. Okay student, the second question, question number B, that is also false. Next question, what is next question? Next question, the flowers of the love apple vines are small but the fruits is bright red. Okay, that is true. That is true. Once again we will see the question. What is question? The flowers of love apple vines are small. Yes, small, but the fruits is bright red. That is true. Okay students, so in the question number second C, you will write true in the box, in the given box. Question number D, the mother pulled out the love apple vines when the children tried to taste the fruits. Okay, the mother pulled out the love apple vines when the children tried to taste the fruit. Yes, true. That is true. Next question, the peddler got the seeds from China. No, he got the seeds from the city. The peddler got the seeds from China. Option number E is false. Okay students, so just complete it. In the question number A, you will write false. In the question number B, you will write false. In the question number C, you will write true. In the question number D, you will write true. In the question number E, you will write false. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the exercise second, that is true or false. Okay, you have to write in this question only true or false in the book. Okay, students, you will not complete this exercise in your notebook. You will fill only in your book. Okay, in the notebook you will write only word meaning and question answer, and other exercises you will complete in your book only. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 3. Just see the question number 3. What is question number 3? Complete the sentences with words from the lesson, and you can say that is filling the blanks. Here some words are left and that you have to fill. Okay, sentences are given and some words are left that you have to fill. Okay, students, just see here. Okay, I am going to erase it, and I hope that you all have completed this exercise. Come to the next. Next question, question number 3. What is question number 3? Filling the blanks. You can say that is filling the blanks. And in the first question, what is written in the first question? The birds did not seem to be eat. Just see, students. The birds did not seem to be at all afraid of ... fruit. Okay, I will write the question so that you could understand. The bird did not seem to be at all afraid of the fruit. Fruit. Okay, this is the question, and in the blanks you have to fill. Poisonous. The bird did not seem to be at all afraid of the poisonous. Poison. O-U-S. Poisonous. Okay, poisonous fruit. You see here, the bird did not seem to be at all afraid of the poisonous fruit. Okay, students, so in the blank you will fill the poisonous, the word poisonous. P-O-I-S-O-N-O-U-S. Next question. What is the next question? Question number B. A peddler would come to the farm, F-A-R-M, once a month. Bringing buttons and threads. Bringing buttons and there is a blank. You have to fill in the blank. Okay, the peddler would come to the farm. F-A-M, not farm, farm. Okay, this is farm. Farm is field. The peddler would come to the farm once a month, bringing buttons and threads. Okay, students, so you will fill here the word thread. T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. Okay, just say the peddler would come to the farm once a month, bringing buttons and thread. Okay, just fill the word thread. Next question, question number C. The peddler drew out a very small. The peddler drew out a very small and handed it to mother. And handed it to mother. Mother. Okay, student, just see. The peddler drew out a very small what? Very small package. Package. Okay, very small package and handed it to the mother. In the blank, you will fill the word package. The peddler drew out a very small package. You will fill the word package and handed it to the mother. Okay, students? So just write down. Next question. Question number D. What is question number D? Yes, here. Grandma said that she was a big girl before she ever tasted tomato. Okay, student, just write down. Question number D. Grandma said that Grandma said that she was a big girl. She was a big girl said that she was a big girl before she blank is there tomato. Okay, just fill here. What would be the appropriate word? Grandma said that she was a big girl before she ever tasted. Okay, just fill here. The word ever tasted. Tasted. Ever tasted. Okay, students? The appropriate word will be ever tasted. Okay? Grandma said that she was a big girl before she ever tasted tomato. Okay? Come to the next question. Question number E. Just see the question number E, students. Question number E. What is the next question? When the uncle found that they were afraid to eat tomato, he had a hearty laugh. So you will fill here laugh. The word laugh. Just see here, students. When the uncle found that they were afraid to eat, tomato. They were afraid to eat tomato. He had a hearty, Heart. Okay? Hearty. There is a blank. You have to fill here the word laugh. Okay, students, L-A-U-G-H. You will fill here the word loud. Okay, students. So, what would be the correct sentence? When the uncle found that they were afraid to eat the tomatoes, he had a hearty laugh. Okay, so just fill the word laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Okay, students. So, in this way, we have completed the exercise third, which is filling the blanks. Okay. Now we will discuss the exercise number 4, that is multiple choice question, which is given in your book at the page number 37. Okay, students, just see question number 4, exercise number 4. Okay, just see the question. He used to carry. Dear students, what is the question number 4? Put a tick on the correct option to complete the sentence. Dear students, if there are 4 options and one option is the correct option in which you have to take. Okay. He used to carry seeds and cutting up plants from the farmer's wife to the next. There are 4 options. The option number first is next, second is other, third is market, and the fourth is shop. And which option is the correct? Option number first, that is next. The option first, next is the correct option. So you will tick on that. Okay, students, that is question number A. In the question number 4A, the option number I have not mentioned here. Option number first, next is the correct option. Okay, next question number B. Just see the question number B. What is question number B? Grandma said that she never saw a tomato until the age of 10, 11, 12, 13. Which option is the correct? 13. Okay. Option number 13. Option number 4. That is 13. T-H-I-R-T. Okay. 13 is the correct option. So you will tick on that. Okay. Next question. What is the next question? The peddler gave half of the seeds of love apple to his brother. No. Sister. Yes. Mother. No. Wife. No. So which option is the correct? Option number second. Question number C. Option number second. That is given sister. S-I-S-T-E-R is the correct option. You will tick on that. Okay, students, just see. Next question number D. It was thought in the beginning that tomato were option number first sweet, option number second sour, option number third poisonous, and option number 4 bitter. Which option is the correct? Option number third. That is poisonous. Poisonous. It is the correct answer. Okay, students. What was the question? It was brought in the beginning that tomato were poisonous. Option number third is the correct option. Okay, students, just come to the last question. That is given. The peddler had a big wagon. And what kind of wagon? Wagon. Blue, green, red, orange. Just see which option is the correct? Red. Okay. Option number third, that is red, is the correct option. Okay, students. So just match once again. In the question number 4, A, option number first, next is the correct option. In the question number 4b, option number 4, 13 is the correct option. In the question number C, option number 2, sister is the correct option. In the question number D, option number 3, poisonous is the correct option. In the question number E, option number 3, the word red is the correct option. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the exercise number 4. So today we have completed the exercise number 2, that is true false, and the exercise number 3, that is filling the blanks, and exercise number 4, that is multiple choice question. Okay, so students, in this way we have completed the chapter 4, that is love at first. Okay students, in the next class we will discuss the new thing. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.